Well, in the raging case of NEET, now there is a big development coming in this very case. Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan has actually flagged two certain irregularities and also talked about how there are needs of improvement which are required in the NTA. Now, first talking about the irregularities, well, while speaking in Odisha, Union Minister Dharmendra Pradhan has said that they have found irregularities from two places. In fact, in this very statement, he also went on to say that nobody will be spared, and in fact, the senior most official, if found guilty, will be persecuted in this very matter. Now, he has also lamented on the fact that a lot of improvements are needed when it comes to the NTA, which is the National Testing Agency. Now, this very thing has been raging for a while, where the students in the first place have actually raised certain eyebrows about how the marks were awarded in a disgraceful manner or in a disproportionate manner. When owing to this situation, many people actually reached to the apex court of the country, and in fact listening to the pleas of these very people, which are some students and in fact other big people involved in this matter, the Supreme Court had actually addressed the issue of grace marks, in which the Supreme Court had said that the students, around 1,563 students who have actually received grace marks, those grace marks will have to be either taken back, or those students can go under an examination. Meanwhile, students from all across the country are protesting against this very issue, and the only demand from their side is that they want re-examination and nothing else. Meanwhile, a lot of politics is also playing out, where the Congress and the other opposition parties like the DMK have said that they only want a CBI investigation in this matter. Well, it's not just the opposition, but the students have also asked for a CBI probe in this very case, because they feel that corruption on the highest level has happened while conducting these examinations. Meanwhile, Dharmendra Pradhan's statement also now actually talks about how the government is taking cognizance of this very matter, and Dharmendra Pradhan himself has talked about the irregularities and in fact talked about how investigation in this very case will be done. While a CBI probe will be ordered in this matter is yet to be seen, but a lot of pressure is being made on the government by both the student and the opposition on this very issue. Meanwhile, the opposition is up in arms against the ruling dispensation here in centre, while they are saying that it's not just about the NEET examination, but it's largely about the NTA, because now the question on the there is a question on the credibility of the NTA, and that is why it is very important to address these issues, because NTA doesn't only conduct the NEET examination but other important examinations like JEE as well. Meanwhile, admission coming in from Dharmendra Pradhan about these irregularities actually flags to only one thing, that the government is taking this very issue seriously, and in fact the students are also they were also quite reprehensive if there will be any action or not. But this time around, it seems that the government has started to address this very issue, because we know how important medical as a profession is, and in fact the students and the doctor continuously are saying one thing, that in case if a person is entering this field via false means, then this will be a very big damage to this very industry.